Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and I thank you for first clicking the video, and trust me, you'll not be disappointed, as what you are about to watch will be very important to you and your trading career, and of course it's going to be very useful. And I want to plead you subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I have tested different strategies that actually works. And while you follow my channel, I'm sure you're going to find more contents which I'm about to be constantly uploading. Very interesting. If any of the uh, if one of the trading strategies I'll be posting is not working for you, I'm sure another will work for you, because I have tested all the strategies, and trust me, they all works. They all works. And I will take you through all of them one after another. And you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be getting notifications whenever I drop the videos. But trust me, after watching this, you will find reason to subscribe and also wait for another. So currently, this particular strategy, I have used it for so long in line with the others, because I have different systems. So when I set different strategies and setups, and when all of them conform to my entry point, there I go. And that is why I don't leave trades or running trades on my platform. So because sometimes I choose to close all my trades and wait for entry tomorrow or the next day. So currently, I would like us to move in. This particular strategy is good, especially for those who cannot afford a desktop or laptop. For now, they can use their phone so confidently to make use of this strategy. You can also set it in your system and also use your phone, so that you will be able to ascertain the proper and the right entry point, and also to confirm exactly what I'm about to review to you regarding the entry point. So now, first, there are about 3 different moving averages. But before we go into the settings of the moving averages, I will first of all let you know how best and proper you can set the background of your phone to look like mine, if you actually want to understand and enjoy this system so easily. So whenever you open your trading platform, it usually look like this. I want to unset the background of the my trading app, my MT4, so that you'll be able to understand what I mean. This is the show period. I turned it on. Let's turn it off. You go to colors and the grid. You can see that the grid on my platform, I turned it to white so that it will suit the trading platform, also show me exactly what I need to see. So I want to default it. So let's go back and see how the chart looks. So with this, you will not understand the strategy so easily, and you will not know the value. So for you to use this strategy so perfectly, what you need to do is go to the same settings. This is the first thing you will do. Come to this show period separators, turn it on, go to colors, turn off the grid and set it to white. White background, or if you are using a black background, you have to, but I think it's best working with white background. There's no option you can ever use, except if you don't want to get the proper entry point and also identify the setups so easily. So but I will advise everyone to turn the background of the phone, the grid, to white in order to get exactly what I'm about to explain to you. So let's forge ahead. So here, the reason why I turn the background to white is for you to find these lines. These black lines, as you can see, that is, this black lines shows you that here is where the market opened. For instance, let's start from the edge. Here is where the market opens, and here is where the market closes for the day. The second line opened again the next day, closes here, open the next day, closes here, open the next day, like that. So this line signifies through the, it signifies the where the market opened for the day and when the market closes for the day. So using 1 hour chart, it will be the best. Like I said before, using 1 hour chart will help you, and that is the best platform actually you will use. 1 hour chart in order to understand and also make the best use of this trading platform, strategy. So now let's go ahead and set let's go ahead and set the moving averages. Here I would delete all of them and reset them before analyzing the platform so easily for you to understand. Let's delete. So you can see how the chart is looking. So now let's add it again. First, the first moving average to be added is 34. You set the period to 34, the method to simple, and of course I used to like a big. I set the colors to the first color to black, and of course the peso to 4. I go back again, plus select moving average once again. Here I set this to 20, the period to 20, and I set this to exponential, and come down to this place, set the color to blue, and come down to peso and reduce it to 3. That is just my fancy way. Anyway, you can set yours at whatever level you wish, but if you want it to be like mine, you can select exactly what I selected. Done. Then I go back again and select the same moving average here, and this time around I reduce it to 10 moving average. Then leave the method to exponential and change the color to red. Change the color to red and reduce the peso to 2. It's just my own fancy way. You can change yours to whatever thing you wish to change it. That's okay. But make sure that the period and the method, which is exponential, you put them the number exactly the way I put them, and also the exponential when I put them, and simple to 34 where I put it. So now take a look at this now. So now this is how it works. While the market is ranging somewhere here, you wait keenly and find out if it is forming a trend or not. So whenever you discover that the market is forming a trend, all you have to do is wait for either the first day or the confirmation of the crossing of this 10 and 20 moving average, the crossing of this 10 and 20 moving average with the 34 moving average. So if I were you, I will wait. Immediately it crosses and it's clear that they have given each other a gap, I will sell from here. That's what I do every day. So, and allow it to run. So wherever the market closes for the day is where I take my profit. Now, what you have to be very keen about is if the market closes and this 34, the gap between this 34, 20 and 10 moving average did not close at all, what you will do is wait and confirm by tomorrow, especially by 9 o'clock, if the market could not cross above this 34 moving average, the market price. What you will have to do is you wait keenly for it to retrace. Immediately it develops a high tail, signifying that the market can no longer move forward. You can put an entry here. You can put an entry immediately at where the market ranged. So, and let it run, because of definitely it's signified that it have formed a trend. So you have to let it run as much as it could. And when you think you are satisfied with the pips, you can choose to allow it for the next day. You can choose to, but for myself personally, I used to take my profit on daily basis. You can also, like I said, allow yours to run for how long you wish. So, but at first, before you choose to allow it to run, first of all, make sure that you are checking the daily chart to be very sure that there's actually a trend that is about forming. So when you check the daily chart and the daily chart signifies that the market still heads down, that is when you can choose to allow the same in 1 hour chart. Instead, whenever the market runs to your expectation, close it. It's an advice. So now, the next day, you find out here that the market closed, and whenever, for instance, whenever it closes very high, like it refuses to make a kind of retracement when the day is about to end, have it at the back of your mind that the market is going to retrace a bit, just like what you see here. Retrace a bit before heading down the next day. But whenever it retraced back before the market, the day closes, the market closes for the day, then in the next day, what you have to do is just to make a sell automatically. Do not wait for any kind of retracement, because it will not retrace. Except if it moves small, it can choose to retrace back. So you make a sell immediately. The market opens. And the best of bets you need to do for yourself is, while using this trading strategy and every other trading strategy, it is always advised to use proper risk management. So now, whenever you make the entry at market, immediately the market opens, all you need to do is allow the trade to run and run very well. In as much as the 10 and 20 moving average still gaps it the 34 moving average. So now the fourth day, look at what happened here. The market almost closed at the highest of the previous day. So what you need to do, you wait for a retracement. If you want really enjoy the trading strategy, you wait. Once the market retraced to the same 34 moving average and develops a high tail, then you have it at the back of your mind that the market is about to pull down again. So long as the 10 moving average did not cross with the 20 moving average, even if it does, wait. So long as the two of them did not cross with 34 moving average, it also signifies that the market is heading down. And one more thing that is very important, the best thing that we always tell you whenever the market is about to head down is the bearish or bullish engulfing candle, and that is what you see here. That is, if you don't have the confidence of always entering the market immediately it touches the 34 moving average. So, and basically what used to show a reversal is this bearish engulfing candle, or the bullish engulfing candle if the market is uptrend. Here is it at this point. You can see the bearish moving engulfing moving average, engulfing candle. Here is it. You find the same thing. It was the same candle that touched the 34 moving average. When you look at this here, it's the same candle that reversed the market. Look at it here too. So now in the day 3 of the same trend, you can find the same here. So whenever it comes out, that's if you don't have the confidence of making an entry, automatically when it touches the 34 moving average, you wait for this bearish engulfing candle or the bullish engulfing candle if it is an uptrend before you make your entry. Look at here. It is the same thing that confirmed the downtrend, the continuation of the downtrend. Immediately it touched the 34 moving average. And one thing it usually do is also, it used to develop two wings, that is the M format. That is, there are a lot of things to show you that the market is ready to move. So it usually develop the M format. Basically, you can see here. You check it. So now, that is how I make the market so easily. And trust me, if you can be patient enough to allow the market to retrace whenever it's necessary, that is from the previous closing point to this particular 34 moving average before you make an entry. Trust me, you enjoy trading this strategy because it's very, very useful and it doesn't allow you to lose trades. You can also find the same. Let's go back and finally, wherever there is trend, you will always find the same. You find the bullish engulfing candle confirming the market. Look at it here. Look at it here. So you find it the next day. Look at it here. They all imagine it just confirmed the automatic entry the next day. So let's move ahead and see wherever there's a trend, you always find the same. Here, look at it. Look at it the next day. You can find the bullish engulfing candle confirming the market. Look at the same thing. And basically, it usually happens around 9 to 8 o'clock in the morning. That is using 24 hours of the day. So whenever you are using it, you have to be very, very keen about the hour. So if anytime it fails, check it at 12 o'clock or before then, or at 3:30 to 4 o'clock. That's when it usually happens. I am sure of that. I've used it and I've tested it and it works. So you can find this trend again. And it doesn't mean you should focus on one particular trading, one particular currency pair. If you don't find trend or any trend in any currency pair, go to another currency pair and search for a trend, but make sure you are using it on a trend, and I'm sure you will enjoy it. So this particular strategy is to be continued. I will tell you a lot of things you can use with this strategy in future time, but for now, set it, use it, and enjoy it. Next time we continue, I will be adding a relative strength index and show you how it works with this strategy. But for now, enjoying this. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates, and I'm sure you will enjoy this and enjoy more and more and more that's about to come your way. Thank you.